Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. To know how to fix or how to solve it's not working on your device on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram and you can click here. Then this page of app unfold, we click on first stop and we can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. In the end we can go to Play Store. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.